What is going on, my future meta millionaires? It's your boy, Terry Stonkers, and welcome to the channel, baby, by the dip. All right, guys, we had a freaking banging day in the market. That's right. MetaMaterials was just amazing. Needless to say, amazing. I wish I had some Mad Dog because I would be taking a sip, but I do got to get back to work tomorrow, so we got to be a little careful on that. We will see how this stock goes tomorrow. As you can see up here, we're on the Weeble. Up over 15% today, guys. We had 9.36 million in volume. That is phenomenal. Market cap setting at $795 million. Average volume setting at 7.5 million roughly. So we did about 1.8 million more roughly, a little over 1.5 million. I don't know what the heck. I'm so excited right now. We're up over 15%. That's all we need to know. And if you're excited about that, make sure you hit the thumbs up, leave a comment down below. It helps out the algorithm and you know what's coming. So, baby, let's go. All right, and if you're not following me on Twitter, go follow me at TerryZ247. All right, what I want to go over, I was posting a lot of stuff today, a lot of great information. And if you go on my Twitter, there's a lot of great information, a lot of great posts on here. As you can see, we were trending today, guys, on StockTwits. We were number 9, as you see here in this picture. This goes by the count of the top 10 symbols, which had the messages in the last 24 hours. And you can see MMAT was ranked number 9. So that was pretty amazing to see that we were trending. Also, there's this post out here, and we're going to go over this post. I'm going to put the actual link to this post down in the pinned comments. This was here by gov.capital. Now, I'm not saying that this is anything legit. I think for me, it's going to be a fun little experiment to test maybe the price action of MetaMaterials stock to this here and see how kind of accurate it is. So like I said, anytime we see these articles out here, I love seeing bullish thesis articles. I love seeing it. So yes, I'm going to share it. Whether it's right, whether it's wrong, we don't freaking know. We share Fintel information, that's probably wrong. We share Ortex information, that's probably wrong. But we take these articles with a grain of salt. They could say this stock price is $2. It's not going to change my thesis. But I do like seeing these bullish articles out here. So I did want to kind of go over this here. It says the 1-year MetaMaterials forecast is setting at $16.54. The 5-year MetaMaterials forecast is $140. I know that seems way out there. But there has been talk. If we get the GlucoWise, guys, FDA approval, let's just say anything is possible. If that baby gets approved, we know the the biopharmaceutical stuff that can get price action moving. So just want to put that out there. I did cover in the live stream where Smokey had this great post talking about there could be a Porsche link up here between George's post here about the 121 gigawatts. And if we go over here, talking about a Thomas here, Tamos, back on 12/26, talking about a walk in a rainy London, and has a Porsche logo. So, and here is the Porsche article on the Porsche.com. You can see 1.21 gigawatts. So, has the DeLorean and a Porsche Taycan. So, it's all kind of tying together. It is speculation, but we love speculation. We love this kind of DD in a sense. Whether it's right or wrong, that is for you to decide. Now, here's this article that I want to, it's gov.capital stock, MMAT stock. Now, it's saying it's a artificial intelligence-based premium forecast is what this is. Now, they could be putting out this bullish article just to get you to sign up. That could be possible. They could just be putting this out here and hoping that we will want to purchase their program. So just putting that out there. As we know, we take all this with a grain of salt. Here you can see the 5-year forecast, $140. Here they have a little bit of a article here. It says, as of January 3rd, 2022, yeah, Monday's current forecast, $2.46. As you can see, the baby was up over 15% today. We're sitting pretty good. And our data indicates the asset price has been downtrending for the past year or since inception, which is true. Since the merger, we've been just trending down. There's no denying that. MetaMaterials stock has been showing a declining tendency. So we believe that similar market segments were not very popular in the given period. Our site uses a custom algorithm-based deep learning that helps our users to decide if MMAT could be a good portfolio addition. These predictions take several variables into account, such as volume changes, price changes, market cycles, and similar stocks. There you can see the future price of the stock is predicted as $16.54 after a year, according to our prediction system. This means if you invest $100 now, and your current investment would be worth $671 as of January 3rd, 2023. This is kind of something I would love to see how this pans out a year down the road. And like I said, I'm going to touch base on down here. They got this whole thing. I'm going to put this down in the pinned comments. You guys can go check it out and scroll down here and look at all these price targets. But I do want to go down here and cover a couple of them, the couple dates that stick in mind. Now, this doesn't start until February 1st is the first one you see here, the calendar date, February 1st. It says regular, we could be looking at $3.30. The least possible price is $2.81, which is just a slight bit below where we're at. And the best possible price is $3.80. So we got about $1 range between $2.80 and $3.80 from the least to the best. So I want to see, we're going to come back and visit this on February the 1st. And we're going to see where the stock price is at, just to see how close this prediction of this artificial intelligence system is. I think it's going to be kind of interesting to see. Over here is kind of the regular. I noticed a big jump. It hangs here in the regular in the $3 range for a while. But then in March, it jumps up right here. Around March 5th, it's showing a huge jump from $3.60 to $6.90 here in March. So this is kind of crazy right here. Here it is, man. The big jump on these 2 days right there, guys. I would love to see it. Like I said, this is all speculation. This could all be just someone made this up trying to get us to purchase the program. But I think it is interesting. It gives us a gauge to just see how accurate this is. If it's accurate, maybe we'll go in and purchase it. I mean, if it keeps going to the T, it would be interesting. I mean, $3.60 to $6.90. That's a huge jump. So we're talking March the 5th, 2022. We break $7 on that Monday, March 7th. So that'll be very interesting. It does show that we do Friday. So maybe they're meeting here. They have Saturday and Sundays in here. So maybe they're meeting with, that's after hours, and they do have where that price stays the same. So maybe they're projecting on March 4th, there could be some kind of news after hours. Is that little speculation there by this AI system? Like I said, this is really reaching, guys, to go by this here, but it does give us something to look at. I mean, if we look down here, April, it's saying we're going to be in the $7 range. We'll drop back here to the $6 range for a couple days. We'll get back up into the 7s, and we're going to break $8 on April 29th, that Friday. So we will see. We scroll down here into May. Looks like $7, $8 range in May. If we go to June, we actually break $9 in June. $9, $10, $11, $12, $14, $17. Wow, June is a June is a big month. There's a lot of speculation in this price action here, as you can see. And these are just the regular prices. These aren't even the least and the big ones. I mean, if you go to the big ones over here, you're talking a $10 down to $20 jump. You're talking a 100% increase from $10, even $25 down here in June on the best case scenario. Even on the least, you're talking $7.50 down here to around $19, guys, on the least case scenario of this. So, I just wanted to put this out here. It's pretty interesting. Like I said, very speculative, but I do like it. I just think it gives us something to go on. And we're going to come back and take a look at this in future videos. And we're going to compare the price on the days and see how close it is. I don't expect it to be correct and 100%, but maybe it gets a couple of those days right. Maybe. All right, and I want to bring you the information here on FinTel on the short squeeze information that we do got from today. Short squeeze score set at a 78.21, ranked 290 out of 5,430 stocks. The short shares that are available is 150,000, so there's not many left. We go look at the short borrow fee, 1.42%. And we go here on today, January the 3rd, the FINRA short volume ratio is a 32.15. So it is a little lower than what it was on Friday. And we do not have anyone but just the FINRA yet. So it's a lot of information waiting to get shared in there today. And as I go and look, earlier, just a few minutes ago, there wasn't no more buyers, no more sellers, nothing else changed. Just they did get the FINRA information in there as of right now. So that is all we have to go over. So hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, smash thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and I will catch you guys next video. Peace.